Hi friends, today I'm sharing with you the ultimate baked cheese recipes. We've got baked brie with cranberries and pecans, we've got a sourdough pull-apart bread, and baked brie with puff pastry. Honestly, these are so easy to make but really impressive. They're perfect for entertaining and these will be the talk of the party. Let's get to it. Today have I got a recipe for you. We are going to be making cranberry pecan baked brie. This is the best baked brie I've ever had. So let me show you what you are gonna need. A beautiful wheel of brie here, brown sugar, orange rind or zest, allspice, butter, chopped pecans, dried cranberries, honey, and some maple syrup. Go ahead, grab your brown sugar here, and we're just going to sprinkle it on top of the brie. Let's move it around a little bit. This goes straight into the oven now. Now all of these ingredients can go straight into the stovetop. Give it a stir. So you're gonna wanna cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes on a medium to high temperature until it goes foamy like this. And then we can turn it off and let it rest. Now once it becomes foamy and you've cooked it for that 1 to 2 minutes, I like to turn the stove off and just leave the saucepan sitting there, and it's gonna continue to bubble away, and that's great. We're just gonna let it do that until we bring out the brie. Spoon it on top and just let it drizzle. Sprinkle on this beautiful orange zest here. I love how that syrup is just oozing off the sides. Let's cut it open and watch this brie ooze out. Whoa, oh my gosh. It is so good. I can't believe what I've done. This is trouble. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate baked camembert cob. Turn on the oven, 180 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. You'll need a cob loaf, a wheel of camembert, butter, walnuts, some garlic, some rosemary, olive oil, and maple syrup. Start to slice my bread, and I'm going to start cutting this on a slight angle as well. I think it'll look pretty. So this is how the bread also has the name hedgehog, because the appearance is like a hedgehog once it's all cut. I'm cutting this bread about 90% of the way through, and I don't want to cut it all the way through because I want it to pull apart at the end and I want it to stay together while it's baking. Perfect. Now we're going to start stuffing the bread with all of the ingredients. Place a little bit of the garlic in sections of the bread. Cut this camembert into small slices. Woohoo, check this out. Sprinkle over nuts, herbs, cutting my rosemary just into 3 so that I can stand it up in the cob loaf. Just drizzle it with half of the olive oil and half of the maple syrup. Bake in the oven about 10 to 15 minutes on a moderate temperature. Give it a last little kiss with some olive oil and that maple syrup. Hello friends! Now everyone is loving baked brie recipes at the moment, and I am no different. So let me show you what you're gonna need. Puff pastry, egg wash, some jam. You can use any jam that you like. Mine is apricot, walnuts, rosemary, double brie, cheese. I've got the puff pastry and we're ready to start layering. In goes our cheese. Smack bam in the middle. Next up, jam. I'm gonna spoon this on top. Time for the nuts. Sprinkle these on. Peel off some of this rosemary here. I'm going to base this now with our egg wash and place it on top. Place it on your tray. So this is ready to go into the oven now. 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you do like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell as well because I have a new video coming out every single week. If there are any recipes that you want to know how to learn, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.